Yeah, this is my window. Oh.
Sunrise. Sunrise. Jacob, look at the sunrise. Look. What was that? It's beautiful. Jacob, watch the sunrise. Do you know sunrise is beautiful? Don't worry about it. Is it?
Yeah.
It's alright. Look at the sun, baby. The sun's gonna out. See, it's color like orange, yellow orange. Yes, it's beautiful. Look, Jacob, wow. Don't worry about your slide. Just watch the sunrise. It's beautiful thing. Don't worry about the slide. Can you give one glance in the sun, baby, please? Oh no. Any minute. Okay, come on. Wow. Look at that. It's beautiful. I like watching the sunrise with you. Okay, don't worry about Miss Bassett. Okay, can you sit down for a little bit?